Okay, we are installing a TRIKE rear fender today. This front area that just gets pelted with rocks. So basically we have the do-it-yourself kits. There's a left and right. They're actually identical on this model. So basically it's just a kit that goes right on the front of here. So you want to look at the kit, make sure you have it the right direction. It's kind of more pointy on top and curved for the bottom, down there on the bottom. You want to make sure everything's good and clean, which I've already done. And then you want to make sure everything's good and wet. We have our slip solution, which is the soapy slip solution. We're going to go ahead and spray that down. We also have our alcohol anchor solution, but we'll use that here in a little bit. I'll explain that. So you just want everything good and wet. And you want the actual film piece good and wet. And you want your hands good and wet. Just the wetter, the better. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and just start peeling the film. And while you do that, you want to spray the film, because as you peel it up, the adhesive side is open and can collect dust. So you just want to make sure that stays wet so that you don't get any dust sticking to the film before you get it on the bike. So again, good and wet with the soapy water, good and wet on the fender. And now make sure that you lay it down with the adhesive side down, obviously. And now what we're going to do is just kind of line up this bottom piece along the edge. And now here's where we're going to use our alcohol. Just like an inch of that material, we're going to spray with the alcohol and just kind of line it up there. And then just squeegee out that 1-inch lip that you had alcohol sprayed. And that'll lock that down like a wall. So this bottom, like inch and a half, is now locked down. It won't slip, it won't slide, and we're good to go down there. One thing being that that's a wall, you can't squeegee anything through it. It'll just hit and stop. So everything we're going to squeegee away from there. So now we're going to take the soap solution again, just make sure that everything's good and wet underneath. And then we're going to take our alcohol and just squirt the very top here, that top inch or so that when we stretch this up, which will eliminate these fingers, when we stretch it up, that alcohol will tack. And you want to keep your hand more in the middle, not up here, so that your hand doesn't leave a handprint in your alcohol. So you start down here where it's soapy, slide it up, and then squeegee that little tip that has alcohol. And now that's stuck, your fingers are out. And now it's just a matter of keeping it wet, keeping this top surface wet, and we're just gonna squeegee everything out from underneath. So we can stop, you can see down here where the wall is. We're just gonna start there. And just start working your way up and down both. We're just kind of getting this center strip completely squeegeed out. Again, keep it wet so that your squeegee slides nice. If you find that it's dry and stuck, you can always lift that little edge and spray soapy water back under it, okay? Really forgiving. So again, you just want overlapping strokes as if you're mowing your lawn or something. So you always start where you've already squeegeed and then make sure and squeegee over with part of your squeegee overlapping. That way you don't miss any spots. You don't want to leave a big bubble out in the middle. And what this is doing is chasing out that soapy water from underneath that if there's little specks of dust, it'll carry that out in a wave, so to speak, and run it out the side. So this side's done. Now we'll go ahead and just spray this side with a little more soapy water and the top. And so kind of same concept. We're going to just start here and just overlapping strokes. Take all that soapy water out. Okay. I'll take a little towel, and when you wipe this, you don't want to wipe against the grain. You don't want to wipe this way where you might catch this lip. So start in the middle, kind of work your way out. And this will also help if you have any little fingers lifting up. The dry towel will actually cause those to lay down. And at this point, if you do have some fingers or something on the edge, you can lift it again, keep it wet, but I'm gonna put a little alcohol here just to show you. If you had a finger that wasn't laying down, the soap just wasn't cutting it, and you continue to end up with a finger that keeps popping up, again, you can spray a little alcohol, and that will lock that down so it won't lift again. But on this, pretty much everything laid down good. And then you just want to give it a good day, or go park it in the sun. If there's any fogging, that will dissipate out as it dries, because it still has moisture underneath. So you just want to keep your eye on it, make sure that no little fingers lift on the side. If so, you can lay that back down. But other than that, you are good to go. Let her dry, and you can treat it like your paint. Wash it, wax it. CruzArmor.